Now that our device is connected, we are ready to take our first measurement. For the most accurate reading, we want to make sure that we wash our hands thoroughly with soap and water. If you're unable to wash your hands, using an alcohol pad is an acceptable alternative. You may also want to have a tissue or a Band-Aid available for use after you have obtained your blood sample. We will begin by preparing the lancing device. On the back of the lancing device, you will see a lever with a small arrow pointing up towards a circle and another arrow. We will twist the top of the lancing device so that the two arrows are pointing towards each other. This will allow us to remove the top of the lancing device. We will then take a fresh lancet. Remember to use a fresh lancet each time and place it into the lancing device. We will then place the top back onto the lancing device by lining up the arrows and twisting again until the bottom arrow lines back up with the circle. Turning the lancing device around, you will notice a red line below the numbers 1 through 9. This represents the needle pressure, with 1 being a very light puncture and 9 being a very deep puncture. We recommend placing the red line between 3 and 5 for your first measurement. You can adjust the needle pressure as needed. Finally, we will pull down on the bottom of the lancing device to lock the lancet into place. Your lancing device is now ready to go. Looking back to the app, we should see that it is instructing you to insert the test strip into the glucometer. Please carefully take a fresh test strip from the bottle, holding it by the middle of the strip and placing it into the glucometer with the arrow pointing into the meter and the blue side of the strip facing up. Once the test strip has been inserted properly, the screen on the app will then instruct you to obtain blood sample. You can do this by bringing the lancing device to the top of your selected finger and pressing the circular button on the front of the lancing device. This will release the lancet and make a small puncture on your fingertip. Remove the lancing device away from your finger and bring the blood sample to the edge of the test strip. Be sure to place the sample on the edge of the strip at a 90-degree angle. Do not place the sample on top or bottom of the test strip.